Welcome to Deploy.AI, your go-to low-code platform for developing AI agents for all your business needs. AI is incredibly powerful for answering questions and assisting with tasks. However, when it comes to your own data, seamless integration is essential. That's where Deploy.AI steps in with its progressive RAG capabilities. Our platform uses advanced Retrieval-Augmented generation to provide AI with direct access to your data, whether it's PDFs, images, or URLs. For businesses, RAG is crucial as it enables your AI model to understand and interact with your data precisely, enhancing the accuracy and adaptability of your systems. Deploy.AI's RAG extracts data from files, handles structured and unstructured data, fetches real-time web data, and enables dynamic function calls for diverse needs. Let's explore examples of what you can achieve with Deploy's RAG capabilities. With Deploy.AI, you can swiftly create knowledge base assistants for instant answers, advanced search tools, product recommendations, conversational chatbots, and more. Revolutionize data interaction with Deploy.AI.